Hey guys, so let's point out the major differences between the Unihertz Shark 3 versus the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. It's a quick specs comparison. As I mentioned earlier, it is to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly compare the specs of both devices. So there we go guys, the Shark 3 versus the Tank 3 Pro specs comparison. As you can see, both devices are actually quite similar in some ways. The Shark 3 is actually much more powerful, has a much more powerful processor than the Tank 3 Pro. But of course, the Tank 3 Pro is a beast as well. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.